BJP State Executive Meetings na ekoida nasi paliba BJP-led government sida achoba sakti ama Manipur praja miyam gidamakta tungi mirol gidamakta sinabiramle malsina ekoi sarkar sina thabak tawbada party na ekoida backup fajana tawbidabani na ekoi sarkar sina thabak tawbada yam fajana miyam nimba chunganba ngamlagani haina ina miyam thajab thamjari madudi ahanbada lamdam sida laiba mayoron bagi lailaklaba or hujik laiba manipuri sin asi Manipuri naga oibeyai kuki oibeyai maitai pangol oibeyai muslim oibeyai masi mayam masi kanjanabagi protect optionabagi bill jama matam sanadagi Pradamiyana demand of the Laputu masi hamkiba aduma BJP gi State Executive Committee na madu sembada assembly laiba ekoi July the July or August ki time of the Pangu assembly from the bill in the Putra passed on one of Maduri Mari Lane stakeholders in the Kanan in the Bugi Wakan Panko Korea Bugirame Mashima my Pumiam the Soba my Papani Aduga BJP na Manipurimiam the Hankiba Hazaba London City machine yam the Miambu Nakan Haibu Yasetpa wasn't happening in the Mathanga apagi state executive na Hanasu party sigi vision document yaw praba nakai saba long saba matamda 7 pay commission manipuri employees in the pigani haibadu masi famki executive council executive body meeting na madu endorse obirame Sarkar sida BJP na Rusin na Pandit wa Sarkar sida madu thabo control na ba Delhi dagi or Karai dagi mari lena ba financially ama sound madu maram da khangba the state ki economy da kari kari akai ba level ite ba haibna sindu kana ba khungna ba aduga atuba matamda employees in the 7 pay room sawa phangan ba yana na bulambi ya lo haidana state executive committee na ya bibira me masu States the labor employees, lakh muki na yada labor employees singi asoba batang kui na talaga lawa dumba demand amani hai report shishu asi state BJP state executive committee na sarkar sida pangal hapirame mathangda yamna Manipuri praja amadi bharati praja puno mane yamna thamoi shongningai weba ref nupi na hara nam janam teknaga nahanba mapunsi nahanba kaya ase masi mayukta narangma bharatya dugma pradhan mantri prime minister viriba modi ji na lusinaga kogi ordinance ma minor sinda tawbasina death penalty piba aduga atai Harapuna Hani Gilay Actuna over Torkan Constitution for the people, Nasima Anakan of people do that. Madugi ordinance to Manipur the shoe. Heck Madugi ordinance, Sarai for Madugi, models Madugi. I never fully adopt to Abra or Nataka Madugi model that I would have to do. Tanaraga Indi, Logi, and Tanaraga. Two Matanda, we lack the assembly from my Verusu. We state given a suit. Madu adopt on Nanaba, Madu Mo, adopt over Yare, Manaba, Nanaba, Nasigi State BJP State Executive Committee na Sarkar Sida Pangan Pibirame, Masimasu, Tapakwani, on top Lagani, Haigna, Manipur Miamda, Miam, Kaurana, Naigna Libra, Pakum Persi.